You ever had one of those dreams where you're trying to run, but your legs just won't work? That's what it feels like for most coaches and creators when it comes to sales calls. You're full of energy off the call, you've got the vibes, you might even be a little bit cocky. When Zoom opens up and it's go time, you freeze. And you've got no idea why. My name's Luke. Before we get going, check out the links below. I've got some cool, free stuff just for you. Let me tell you something I've learned in over 20 years of sales. It's not your product, it's not your personality, it's your preparation. You see, most people treat sales calls like improv, but sales isn't theatre, it's diagnostic. Imagine walking into your doctor's office with a stabbing pain in your chest, and the doctor asks, "So, tell me about yourself." No structure, no questions, just vibes. You'd walk straight back out. And yet, that's how most coaches show up to sales calls. When you don't have a clear framework or a flow, your brain scrambles. You talk too much, you over-explain, and you avoid the hard questions. And you feel like shit when it's over. I've coached dozens of people in this exact situation. Confident as fuck in real life, but on the Zoom call, totally different. Why? Because they don't actually practice selling. Like Will. Smart guy, huge audience, had no problem getting leads, but he was winging it on his sales calls. No structure, no process, but one small shift, and the following week, 2 out of 3 of his sales calls closed. Not a problem. Why? He started leading the calls, not surviving them. I'm a big rugby head, but do you think I'm going to turn up to a game with no boots, no game plan, and not even a warm-up? I can't just sit there hoping that muscle memory is going to kick in. That might work once, it might work twice, but sooner or later, I'm going to get smashed and it's going to hurt. Sales confidence isn't magic. It's built around a really simple framework. A clear plan, reps under pressure, and emotional control when it matters most. And none of those happen by accident. So if you are a creator, a coach, or a closer, and you're feeling stuck on your sales calls and you're not sure why, grab the free sales confidence checklist below, and you can go from flustered to focused in no time. It's all free and it's a game changer.